Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the brand new Morphe 9R Bronze Metal Palette. And this is designed for that beautiful, sultry, summer smoky eye. Summer going into fall. These are amazing shimmer shades in here and I can't wait to try this on, test this out, and give this product a score. That's beautiful. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna swatch a whole bunch of these for you. I might even swatch all of them. We're just gonna get right into it. I'm excited for this. All right, so these are the first 4 shades. Okay, those are beautiful. Like, that's super pretty, love that. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch a bunch of these shades here for you guys. These are the next 4 shades. Ooh, okay, these last 2 are kind of powdery, but those are stunning shades. Like these metallics, they're beautiful. But this fallout right here, after the last video, I'm like, okay, we have to up our game here, people. Why is it so, fallout? We don't need that. Last swatch, I will swatch right here for you guys. That is a beautiful dark brown shade. As always, I'm gonna do 2 looks for you guys. Let's get started. All right, so I've already gone in and prepped my eyes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow base, which is the one that I love. Using this JH33, I'm actually going to go in and I'm going to take this shade right here in the lower left-hand corner. Just gonna tap that out just a little bit. I'm just gonna place this down in my transition right here, blending that out slightly and bringing it all the way into the inner corner. So far there's a little bit of fallout, I can see it right there. I'm just gonna take my powder brush and brush that away. So I'm going to just pick up just a little bit more of that exact same color, tap that off. I'm just going to darken it right here. Right in my outer corner, bringing it down. Next, I'm going to use a clean blending brush just to blend that out, starting at my inner corner just because I don't want a lot of pigment right there. So I'm just going to blend that part out first. And then I'm just going to taper that, moving the brush down to the outer edge, giving us a nice warm blend with this brown. So far they blend really good. So first impressions, minus the tiny bit of fallout that we experienced in the beginning, I actually don't mind the blend. Like, they're blending out really nice. So I'm just gonna take the color that I have left on the brush and I'm just gonna go back over that just because I want to diffuse that color just a little bit more, but with the pigment that I have left on the brush. Just softening, diffusing, and deepening that shade, which is a beautiful, stunning, warm brown shade that is blending out like a dream. I love that. I want to talk to you guys about the colors in this palette. I think they're so beautiful. I absolutely love the color story and I love the way that they planned it out. There are 3 matte shades here at the bottom, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go in probably with, honestly, I kind of want to take this one right here. This is the one on the far right. Okay, that is stunning. I'm going to place that in the center of my lid. Oh, that is beautiful. Ooh, okay. I'm excited for that. We're going to just take that blending brush and blend that out. For a shimmer, first impressions, no fallout, love that for this. Like, that's fantastic. And this color is just beautiful. And I didn't foil that. Like, that's just like a really pretty dark brown, sultry, sexy kind of, brown smoky vibe. Love that for this. Okay, now I want to go in with something a little bit lighter. And I'm kind of thinking I want to play with this one and this gold, but probably for the other eye. I think I want to go in with probably this sand color right here. I'm calling it a sand color because that's kind of what it reminds me of, like a sandy gold. Definitely that is picking up like a gold. I'm going to place that in the inner corner. Oh, that's beautiful. Can you guys see that? That is really pretty. Okay, now that I've got that color down, we're just going to go in with our blending brush. I'm just going to blend it out right here. Small tip, if you guys want your eyes to look brighter, wider, you know, just more light, you know, at that point in your face, definitely add a lighter shade and something a little bit more, not exactly frosty, I don't want to say frosty, but something shimmery, something with a little bit of pop of color that's going to catch that light right here to the inner corner. And you know what? That's it. It's gonna just catch that light. It's gonna be beautiful on you, which is why we put that light shade right there. So I'm just gonna go in with a tiny pencil brush. I'm gonna pick up some of this really light gold shimmery shade, tap that off. I'm going to place that right here in little circular motion, right there, because that's where we want the light to catch. It's gonna make our eye seem wider and brighter, especially with this dark smoky effect. You see that? Do you see how it just kind of like just gives it that pop of light and luminosity? That's what we're looking for. I'm going to take a tiny blending brush right here. I'm going to dip into this middle brown shade, the matte shade, and I'm just going to take this under my lower lash line. That is such a beautiful shade. That's a gorgeous color. Now that I've completed the eye look on this eye, I'm going to go in and do the second look for you guys. So for this look, I'm actually going to start with this sandy color right here, which is this beautiful, gorgeous, bronzy gold color. Tap that brush off. I just went in with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to take this shimmer color right in the transition. Bringing it down to my inner corner and out towards the brow line. Just blending that. That's really, really pretty. I'm actually going to go in with my ring finger because I'm going to be using a lot of the shimmers for this look. And I'm going to pick up this gold right here. Okay, that is a beautiful shade. I'm going to place this down on the center of my lid. Oh, that's gorgeous. I super love that. That is stunning. I'm going to go in with the blending brush. I'm just going to blend out those edges, soften that out, blur that gold. Alright, so I'm going to pick up just a little bit more of that gold. I want to go in and just deepen that up right in the center of the lid. And again, we're going to take that blending brush and just blend out those edges. So this one, I'm getting fallout right here. I mean, the shades are absolutely stunning. The fallout, it's not chunky like the Melt Cosmetics palette, but this one does give you a lot of dust on your face, but it's easily removed. So for the next part, I'm actually going to go in with this light gold right here. This is a very light champagne gold color. I'm going to place this on the inner corner and just kind of drag it towards the center. Like this, these shimmers, I have to say, like they're beautiful. They blend beautifully. I'm not having any issues with the blend. They're not patchy. I really enjoy it. This one is very summery, this look. Which I actually really love. You could totally wear this to the beach or, you know, to drink wine on a patio somewhere. Like this is a really, really pretty eye look. Now for the outer corner, I'm going to take some of this color right here, which is this beautiful bronze color. And I'm just going to place a little bit here on the outer edge. Just right there. And I'm going to take that same blending brush and just blend that out. Just for a little bit of definition. But I kind of like the whole shimmer, yellowy gold look. I think this is really pretty. Hopefully the camera's picking it up, how beautifully shimmery that is. Alright guys, I'm going to go in, I'm going to apply my mascara and my eyeliner, and I will be right back. And we're back! Alright, so I just went in and I finished the look. I applied some mascara and some eyeliner. I went with a dark brown eyeliner on this eye and some nude eyeliner on this eye just to kind of make that eye pop. with these shimmers, which I think are absolutely gorgeous in this palette. And I went in with no lashes because I'm just trying to embrace my natural lashes. So I actually went in with a new mascara. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this mascara. I appreciate that. All right, let's score this product. Starting with fallout. All right, so I did experience some fallout when I swatched it on the back of my hand and then again under my eyes. Only some of the shades, not all of them. Some of them were absolutely perfect. Like the formula, perfect. So I'm gonna have to give this a 7 out of 10. Up next, application. So this applied buttery, smooth. I enjoyed it. It blended out well, and for that, I'm gonna have to give it an 8 out of 10. Moving on to pigment. This one I really love. The thing is that I really loved the Sweet Oasis Morphe palette as well, and I find even though those pan sizes were a lot smaller, the formulation was different because this one has a lot more fallout for its shimmery shades than the Sweet Oasis palette. So, just for that, I'm gonna have to give it an 8 out of 10. Finally, value. This is $16 Canadian. That works out to only $1.78 a pan. I think that's an amazing price, especially for this gold shadow. Like, I love this. Like, that right there, $1.78, amazing. You have to account these things, right? Love that about Morphe. They always make affordable, amazing things. So I'm gonna have to give this palette a 9 out of 10, giving us a final score of 32 out of 40. All right, so should you buy it, avoid it, or wishlist it? I would definitely recommend to run out and buy this. I believe it's exclusive to Sephora. This is an amazing palette, and honestly, it's so affordable. And this gold shade, I can't stop talking about it. This is so beautiful and pretty. I love it so much. So definitely run out and get this one. If you guys love videos like this one, definitely like the channel, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye, guys.